Hello and welcome to this video. My name is Jason Hornung. I'm the founder of JH Media LLC. We've spent over $30 million since 2013 profitably advertising our products and services and those of our clients on Facebook ads. And in this video, what you're going to discover is a very unique advanced scaling strategy that I see nobody else teaching out there. So if you're looking to take your ads to the next level of profits where you can spend $5,000, $10,000, $50,000, even $100,000 a day. That's as much as we've scaled some of our campaigns for our clients using this method. I'm going to show you exactly how we do that. So pay attention in this video because you're going to learn something that you're never going to see anywhere else. This is a brand new strategy, and in fact, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through my specific ad account, and I'm going to show you how you implement this into your account. So let's go ahead and go to the screen and get right down to it. All right, so what we're looking at is we're looking at my personal ad account right here. And I'm going to demonstrate through a campaign that is currently active and running. I'm showing the numbers for this month to date in the account as I'm filming this video. This particular campaign was started in the middle of at the end of January, so it's been running for a little over a month now. And it's a really great illustration of this advanced scaling strategy that I'm going to show you here. So I call this strategy, I call it using creative waves. So the way that it basically works is you start with a series of audiences that you want to test with one individual creative. So let me show you exactly how I did that inside of this particular campaign. And I'm going to go down here. We've got a lot of ads that you can see that I've tested in here. There's been 53 different ad sets. Now, what I did was I started with 20 different ad sets all on January 31st. And each one of them was at a $20 a day budget. Each one of those particular ads used ad number one. Now, what I did was I launched those ads. I ran them through my testing period. And then I let the ads that worked within my numbers, I left them on and started scaling them. The ones that didn't work within my numbers, I turned them off. Now, as soon as I turned them off, instead of just focusing on the one set of creative that I had that was working, what I did was I created ad number two. And I launched out ad number two to all of those audiences that I shut off that did not work to ad number one. And then what I did is I looked at which of those ones were working within my numbers, and if they worked within my numbers, I left them on. If they didn't, I turned them off. Then I launched ad number three out to those audiences, and ad number four, and ad number five. And then I ended up creating another campaign, and I started video ads to those particular audiences. Now, what ends up happening with all those different creative waves is I've got all these different versions of creative that are still active and running right now that are working for my particular offer. So you can see now I've got ad one, ad two still out here, ad five seems to be my big winner, and then I've got my dynamic ad one out here. So that's how we use this process, this concept of creative waves. We do it all in waves. So we test one creative out to a bunch of audiences, we leave the ones that stick, we get rid of the ones that don't. Then we take creative number two, we launch it out to all the ones that didn't work, keep the ones that do, turn off the ones that don't, launch another creative until you've got a whole series of different ads and different audiences that are all working within your numbers. And now what you've done is you've scaled your campaign through having multiple creatives and variations of the creative that are going out to different audiences at any given point in time. So you can really use this to scale your campaigns effectively in a controlled manner and accelerate your profits with your ad campaigns when you implement it into your Facebook system. So here I am, and what I'm going to do is I'm in my e-commerce. I'm going to show the monthly sales totals. I'm just going to select the year 2017, and then I've got this filtered down to my boot camp. I have 3 different versions of the product in here because of different price points and offers that we do. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit the search button, and you can see over the course of 2017, we did $1,342,020 in sales of this one particular product. And that was all following the 5-step method that I just shared with you on this video. So if you want to go from 0 to 7 figures in your business, you need to start implementing that into place right now, and you can systematically do that. So go ahead and put this in place in your business and start seeing the results that you're looking for with your ads. Do you believe that you have to be some kind of great writer in order to put together Facebook ads that convert? Well, I'm telling you, that's actually nonsense. Do you believe that you have to have some kind of mystical settings or know something that will allow you to target buyers properly on Facebook that's just being held from you? Well, that's nonsense too. And do you believe that you actually have to have like really deep pockets with a lot of money to burn in order to test and find out what's actually going to work for you so you can be profitable with Facebook ads? Well, that's nonsense too. Hey, my name is Jason Hornung. I'm the founder of JH Media LLC. We specialize in creating profitable Facebook ads for ourselves and our clients. We've spent over $30 million since 2013 profitably doing so. And what I have for you today is something super, super, super exciting that's going to solve all 3 of those problems for you. You see, what it is it's a free PDF along with 2 videos that's going to walk you through a campaign that we put together for a client that produced over $1 million in revenue at better than a 2-to-1 return on ad spend. On the PDF, what you're going to see is an actual copy of the ad, the full ad, along with a complete breakdown of all the elements of the ad so you can understand why it works and how to put it together for your own business. On top of that, you're going to get a video that walks you through exactly how I did that. So you can see that and you can hear it and you can learn how to apply it in your own business. Then the next thing is you're going to get a second video that'll walk you through what I call our lazy man's guide to targeting buyers with Facebook ads. This is the exact process that we use for ourselves and our clients to find all the profit-producing targets that our tender little hearts desire so that we can put ads like I teach you out to those targets and start to bring in the profits that make the bank account balance go up and up and up. Then the last thing is throughout both of those videos, you're going to actually see how we launch campaigns at as little as $5 a day for testing budgets, and we can find out how things are working and not working, turn off our losers, and then scale up our winners so that we can create profitable ad campaigns and get them to the max level of profit as possible. So if that's something that's interesting to you, which I can't imagine why it wouldn't be, all you got to do is you got to click one of the buttons that's here. There should be, if you're on desktop, it'll be like in the lower right-hand corner. If you're on mobile, it'll be in like the upper right-hand corner or left-hand corner. I don't know, I'm probably pointing the wrong area. But either way, you click one of those buttons, it's going to take you out to my page. You can register to receive this PDF and these 2 free videos, and you'll get them delivered to your email instantly so that you can go ahead and you can go through it, you can learn, you can apply it in your business, and you can start making money with your Facebook ads today.